Good evening and welcome in. This is Siddhi, and today we are going to be talking about Herkimer diamond. Yes, one of the quartz family crystals. Usually you'll see them in smaller sizes, double terminated. I don't know whether it is coming with focus and clarity to you, but this crystal is one of the hardest crystals of the quartz family. It opens your spiritual pathways, it cleanses your chakras within a very short time. It is said to be one of the most powerful crystals of the quartz family. Yes. So in quartz family, if I was to name a few crystals, I can name rose quartz, amethyst, clear quartz, etc. This is one of the highest or the most powerful crystals in the quartz family. How it can be used or what are the uses? Number one, that I have experienced in my life and some of my clients' lives, is it relieves you of any kind of physical pain. Yes, so whether it is joint pain or whether it is any other kind of pain in your body, make a grid of Herkimer diamonds and sleep inside it for 15 to 20 minutes, and you will see great difference coming into your life in a few days' time. That is number one. Number two is Herkimer diamond's spiritual energy and spiritual seeking is so very beautiful that it is also said to be one of the attunement stones. Number three, this clear outs your energy field and amplifies your intentions. So, whenever you keep it next to you, it will instantly start cleaning all your chakras and spiritual pathways. And it retains, number four, it retains great amount of memory. So that means that if you program this little stone to go ahead and do something for you, it will retain the memory or programming of that particular work for days to come and maybe years to come. Uh, Apart from this, at emotional level, it gives you a lot of sense of joy and calming down. It will open up different pathways spiritually that also helps your emotions in finding new realities about yourself, in finding different dimensions about yourself, and it will inspire you to go ahead and work with them. If you wanted to know more about Herkimer diamonds, if you wanted to know how to make your grid with them, or if you wanted to purchase some of these from my spiritual store, you can get in touch with me through the number that is given in the description box below. So this was a very short description, an introduction to Herkimer diamonds. Stay tuned to receive more information coming to you from Siddhi and Yana's Healing Studio. Thank you very much.